What's up guys, today for Tech Tip Thursday we're going to talk about power steering fluid. As you saw, Matt was really having a hard time steering this big old truck. So what's very important is without power steering fluid, the internal mechanisms of the power steering system wear a lot faster, and you have fluid in order to protect those. So if you hear squeaking noises or growling noises, or this power steering is hard to pull on, it's definitely something you want to check out. Normally, just to let you know real quick, we'll kind of show you a little bit. Your power steering pump is going to be normally, there's some that are external reservoirs that are off on the side of an engine, but a lot of them are going to be actually attached to the pump. Right here is going to be where you would actually check the fluid on the power steering. Normally they are labeled power steering. This is something obviously you want to do with the engine off. And then they got a nice little dipstick to be able to tell you, the power steering level. This is something that I wouldn't say needs to be maintained like every oil change, but at least every 30,000 miles. Not doesn't hurt to be able to exchange the fluid, freshen it up. It's just good for the seals and the hoses and all the things that involve the power steering. So if you have any power steering issues, or you want to get this checked out, we definitely can get you taken care of up here at BSB.